everybody, Robin Cooper here, and I usually only post one video a day, but I had some friends send me lyrics today, and I was so honored by this opportunity, and thank you so much, by the way. They had asked me to take what they had written down and put it to music, and I couldn't wait to do it. I went ahead and did it right away, and now I want to go ahead and do the puppet show so that you can hear their words and what I felt the music sounded like with those words. Thanks, guys. I really do appreciate this opportunity. I really hope you enjoy my musical interpretation of what you had to say. I went ahead and named this song. I changed the name. The only reason is because the name that you guys gave, I already named a song that. And so I'm going to change it to All It Takes. And of course, this song, the lyrics are by Friends. And the music is by me, Robin Cooper. As always, I want to invite you to my YouTube channel, which is Robin Cooper Puppet Power. Please subscribe. I need subscribers, guys, and I'd love the counts to keep going up, so I love the support. Thank you. And as always, thank you. Thank you so much for your time, for viewing our videos, for viewing my videos, and for the comments and the support that I've gotten so far. And I'm just so thrilled and so blessed to have this opportunity. So thank you so very much. And here we go with All It Takes, music by Robin Cooper and lyrics by Friends. Wait just a minute, please.
Life was good, I had a home, a wife and kids to call my own. I felt happy, safe and sound. My feet never touched the ground. The clouds darkened, depression set in. I never felt the same again. Everything spiraled out of control, faster and faster like a tornado. I spun round, couldn't touch the ground. As the dust settles, I see the turmoil I've caused. Feeling confused and hopeless, I step back and pause. Raining guilt and shame and the regrets of my past, appearing calm and peaceful. I wonder how long it will last. The walls are finally broken down, I feel exposed. My thinking becomes more clear, more clear, more clear. And each sober day goes by, another brick dries. The future looks healthy and bright, because there are no more confidence begins to grow as the wall takes shape. Understand the wings refusing to break. Having self-discipline